This is one area where there could not possibly be enough lawsuits, and we only need one of them to stick. The left has understood this for years. This is why we have, billions of dollars in tobacco liability, even though most of the lawsuits were unsuccessful. They only needed a few of them to win, and we've got to learn that tactic and repeat it.
This might be related, Dan. You said that the Virginia case is being fast-tracked. What will that outcome have on yours?
Very good question. Yes, Virginia has what's called a rocket docket, and it puts all lawyers in terror because it makes lawyers do something that they don't like to do, which is to move quickly. So it will be the first decision. It will have persuasive impact on lawsuits that have similar issues. It will not have controlling effect anywhere outside of that district, and then when it goes up to the Court of Appeals, the Fourth Circuit, only in those states. So I am, to be perfectly candid, I am more optimistic about the 20-state lawsuit, but I am hopeful that our friends in Virginia will do well, especially with such a great judge. Basically, it certainly would not forestall other lawsuits, even on the same issues. And all of the lawsuits are different, so it certainly would not have any kind of impact on others. One of the arguments that Obama is making that will be common to all the lawsuits is it's premature. No one's affected directly yet. And that's why the states took the lead in these lawsuits, because the states, to some extent, are affected immediately by Obamacare. The individual mandate doesn't click in until 2014. So that's one argument that they're making that could be contagious, but eventually people will be affected by the individual mandate, and so it's only a matter of time before we get this up there. But in my opinion, the sooner the better, because of the composition of the current Supreme Court. How are we doing on
We'll let
time?
this be the last question.
Okay.
Well, what is the timeline then, you think, for the 20-state lawsuit? I mean, when are we going to get that Supreme Court decision?
It's moving fast in the district court. The Obama administration filed a motion to dismiss. So it'll probably be, we'll probably get a trial court decision this year. My guess is that the first case will reach the U.S. Supreme Court in 2012. Probably the second term that begins in October of that year. That would be my best guess. And with that, I need to make a quick scramble to the airport since I'm on dad duty, since my wife is a professional politician these days. But it's been great to be with you, and I really look forward to coming back for a much longer stay in your beautiful state. Thank you.
Thank you.